So guys, I'm showing you my plants collection, but my plants are only 3 plants. But this will be a short video, so just watch the video. Stop asking so many questions. Let's go. First of all, we got this small one here. In the tree view, plants view, and original view. And let's put it there. And wow, only it's very small. And my second plant, but in a big container. Yes. And here is the view of the tree, and then the plant, and then the container and plant, and the original view. And that's all. It's not also big though. And let's move to our most biggest plants. And there it is. Tree view. It looks like a jungle there. Plant view. And container and original view. Yeah. I don't too big. Yes. And that's our biggest one, and that's the third one, guys. So thank you guys. Bye bye.